Now let's continue talking about Automate menu. As you can see, it's a time saver menu. So in this video, I will talk about patch. Let's say, for example, you have a bunch of images and you want to make an action to all of them. It will be time consuming to import all of them individually and apply the action to all of them manually, right? That's why patch is exist. First, I need to make some changes to the action we have made to prevent any pausing and doing anything manually. You can load the action, I provided it in the exercise files, and then I will select these two stops and delete them, and I will deactivate the pop-up menu with Gaussian blur and make fill layer. Now I will go to File, Automate, Patch. From here, choose the set, which is my set, and the action, of course, blurring the background. The source, choose the folder that contains the images, and for the destination, choose any destination you like. In the default, this option is turned off, so that will make me save the image manually. Let me show you. Then you have to choose the format, then click save. And this is not what I want. So I'll press cancel and stop. And let's try again. Now let's check this option and see what it will tell me. It will tell me if there are no save or save as in the action itself, it won't save anything. So I need to cancel and make a save here in the action itself. Let's just import an image and apply the action, and then right there, record and press Ctrl S. And this is really important. You need to choose the format you want to save with the patch option. Then click save. Now I'll press stop and I will delete it. Then again, I will go to automate, patch, and override. Now I have the save command in the action itself. Then click OK. And when I open the folder, I will see the images has been saved.